Hi, I'm George DeMarco with Brown Harris Stevens, and I'm really excited to show you this great corner 2-bedroom, 2-bath apartment here at Lincoln Towers. It's really... Hold on, I'll be right back. Miss Kitty, you're back!
Georgie! I'm back in New York City and I'm looking for an apartment.
I'm so glad to see you. Come on in. From this corner apartment, you will enjoy open northern and eastern city views, as well as a view of the Hudson River from your large private balcony. Unwind or entertain in the large living room with wall-to-wall granite-topped, under-the-window custom-built cabinets, which is adjacent to the spacious dining area, large enough for a table for 8 and buffet.
You know, Georgie, I'm a princess and I don't normally cook, but this place is gorgeous and there's so much space for the pantry over there with all this stuff. I'm gonna get a nice chef.
In addition, there are 2 large bedrooms. The primary one with dual exposure, north and east, a 12-foot wall of closets.
Look at the spacious closets. This will be perfect for all my boas and my costumes, my ball gowns, everything.
And a windowed ensuite bathroom with an updated walk-in shower. The second bedroom, or home office, is over 160 square feet.
I could make it into a guest room too. I've been reading a long time. This is a big book. I need a nap.
A second updated full bathroom with a glass-enclosed tub and the 6 closets, including 2 walk-ins, make this the perfect home for those who appreciate space and value. 142 West End Avenue is a full-service, 24-hour Doorman building with a fully equipped private gym, toddler play area, bike and storage area, 2 large laundry rooms, and adjacent garage. As a Lincoln Tower resident, you receive exclusive access to the residents-only security-patrolled park with playground and basketball courts. So, Miss Kitty, what'd you think of the apartment?
Oh, I loved it. It was beautiful. Thank you so much for letting me look at it. You're a class act, Georgie.
Aw, thanks, Miss Kitty. Thanks for coming. And if you'd like to see the apartment, call me, George DeMarco at Brown Harris Stevens, and I'll give you a private showing.